Welcome to our channel. Before you continue, please hit subscribe button. Enjoy our video. Repair loose stitches. Prepare sewing tools. Start to sewing from one of the end of loose stitches. Sew with carefully until all loose stitch shave been sew well. Pull and tighten the seam to lock it. Continue by sewing the top, by hooking into the thread underneath, then pulling to secure.
Great job, isn't it? Closing the hole in the trousers. Prepare tool sewing. Insert the thread into the eye of the needle. Make a leaf model, or you can also use other pattern. Start to sew the hole carefully and patiently to get best result.
Cuffs. Start to sewing the extension cuffs with carefully and patiently. After all finished, then tighten and lock it.
Your extension cuffs now has been ready to use.
Thank you for watching. Please hit subscribe and like button to get first notification.